Hello, I'm Anna. Today, I want to show you the making of my Korean number song from 91 to 100. Step 1 is sketching the characters. On the left side of my iPad, I open the sketchbook app. On the right side, I watch videos made by other Numberblocks fans. I use them for ideas and sketch characters from 91 to 100. Step 2 is making the clay characters. I make the blocks one by one for each number. As I said in my last video, current image AI still cannot make the exact clay texture, block count, and shape that I want. So for now, I make each clay model by hand. Some people like the glasses on 71, so I added the same glasses to 91. 92 is orange, so it reminded me of Korean jjimjilbang culture. It also appeared in the movie K-pop Demon Hunters. People wear orange towers like a ship-shaped hat, so I added blocks like that. Many Numberblocks fans made in 93 like a calendar, so I made mine like 31. Step 3 is taking photos and removing the background. Before I removed the background by hand in sketchbook, now my phone can save only the character without the background. Step 4 is adding the background. I move the character into sketchbook and place it on the background. Then I clean the edges and adjust the size. Step 5 is refining the character. I use Gemini to smooth out the uneven clay parts. Sometimes people think AI made everything from the beginning, but actually there is still a lot of handwork. Step 6 is adding movement. In high-low AI, I add the first image and the last image. Then I try different prompts and make the animation from 91 to 100. Step 7 is video editing. I put all the scenes into KineMaster and connect them. Step 8 is final touch. I add subtitles, my logo, and background music. What do you think? There are quite a few steps, right? Now, let's watch the final video.
Number 91 is 91, 91, 91. Number 92 is 92, 92, 92. Number 93 is 93, 93, 93. Number 94 is 94, 94, 94. Number 95 is 95, 95, 95. Number 96 is 96, 96, 96. Number 97 is 97, 97, 97. Number 98 is 98, 98, 98. Number 99 is 99, 99, 99. Number 100 is back, back, back. Great job learning Korean numbers!